It's gonna storm and it's 6:01. And outdoor it's 105 degrees and it feels like 116 degrees. It is so hot outside, bro. Guys, is this funny? Oh no, she don't laugh. Just let it
Oh my god.
I go again, but I'm not gonna. Oh my gosh!
Don't let them get wet. I'm crying. I can't see. I got sand in my eye. Well, get me in. Don't tear my door off.
This is how people break bones. You're gonna die.
Here we go. Whoa!
Is that bag okay? That bag right there. Free hot tub coming at you.
Thank you so much for helping us.
Oh my god, look at that. I'm going home. I'm free.
Wait, no, Liam, stop! It's raining, it's pouring.
Go.
Come on!
I'm soaking up now. Don't go in that water.
These storms have never been captured on live.
Come here, Box. Oh, God. Oh!
It's raining popcorn. Maybe the trees are hungry. He just fell in the balloon.
What did you do?
He just did this. He wants to. Oh God!
What's going on today, Weatherman Braxton?
And now what?
Now you're done. Oh, cold, cold. Get it off my face. Come on, Daddy. Come
Ooh, it feels weird, huh?
Caught in a rainstorm. We're at Tappan Lake. It's okay, bud.
Go back. Stop taking pictures.
But we're storm chasers.
No, we're not.
It's flood at Crystal Lake. Come on.
We come to New York.
your daughter with a cardboard box.
She ran into the truck. That's awesome.
What are you doing with your... Oh my... Oh my god.
Turn it around.
With the veil. I don't know why the game isn't canceled yet. Because we're out here in the elements. And we're just trying so hard to keep the kids grounded. But soccer must go on. Oh my God, look how big that is! Oh my God, look how big!
Only my husband. What are you doing?
Push it. Now the other way. Harder.
Okay, here we go.
No, don't go. I want a video. No, Mom. No.
Oh!
This is how we put the trash. This is how we put the trash out on an icy day.
That'd be all.
Thank you. So cold.
It's a water angel.
Oh my.
Oh! You alright?
Yeah.
I got 2 of them, so I can run into my neighbor's yard.
You know, it'd be awesome if lightning struck me right now.
It is blowing away. Oh!
Is still standing. I cannot get over how windy it is. Oh my God.
Okay, so the roof is leaking. It's raining inside, and somebody put some helpful buckets. Yeah. Very helpful. So helpful.
So today's my birthday and all my friends are coming over. So I'm so happy. It's such a beautiful day outside. As you can see, clear sky.
Want to keep everything nice and close to you. So then we open this up. There. All done.
go, Angel. Come on, Bear. You got it? No! Be careful on the ice. That was not the way it was supposed to go. But
It's up to my knee.